I'm a product of a doctor. My father served medicine for almost 50 years, if not more. So I am in a great position to know where a doctor comes from, how he's respected, how he's rated, and what he makes people believe at the end of it all. It starts with immense sacrifice. Even if it means staying away from your family for a bit. It demands great demeanor, because you'll get calls at any time of the night. And you've got to have the patience, you've got to have that compassion to say that comes first, that's my job. There are certain qualities that have to be inculcated when you become a doctor. Tomorrow, there are going to be 89 shining lights. And all I'll say is you've chosen a fantastic profession. Not because my father is a doctor. It's a noble profession. It's a profession that's closest to God. The reason I say it is I've seen patients coming home at the odd hours of the night in very, very difficult circumstances. And the way they look at a doctor, it's as if he's their only hope. And many, many times, that is the case. But it's just luck, the right prescriptions, giving the patient the right kind of confidence that turn things around. I remember at a very young age when suddenly there was a knock on the door. And Dad asked me to go and open it. And there were about 10 or 15 people there. They were Muslims. A lot of them, ladies, were in burqas. And there was someone who was smashed. It was an accident. He was bleeding and needed about 15, 20 stitches. And Dad had to do it in the living room of the house. And I was his compounder or assistant at that time. When he sutured, did the job, sent the people home, because they refused to take the answer of going to a hospital. They said, no, we have faith in you, you have to do it, come what may. So at the end of it all, there's blood lying all over the floor, which I had to mop up. But it taught me one thing. There's no fear of blood after that. When you played the game at the highest level against the fastest bowlers in the world, it didn't bother you 1 minute even thinking about what will happen if you're hit. If you're hit, it's blood, you've seen it before. And you'll tackle it, and you'll play hard and try and overcome whatever obstacles that come your way. You're going to serve humanity, all you youngsters. And you, I'm positive, will do a very good job, because you've done your homework well. With the facilities that exist today for you to gather knowledge on how a doctor should conduct himself is a piece of cake. Like I said, and I'll repeat again, it's one of the most noble professions. If you do a proper job, the goodwill that you will get and the goodwill that comes out of it will stand you and your families for the rest of your life. If I'm standing today doing the job I'm doing, it's because of the goodwill of my father. It's the goodwill he's created with all his patients over 50 years of practice. I'm sure 89 of you here will go on to be terrific human beings. You will serve society in the best possible way without cutting corners. Remember, it's a sacrifice. And that's what you've got to ingrain in your mind from today. Cochin Medical College, it's a pleasure coming here today. It's the first time I'm being here. It's a great occasion for you all graduating. It's another step you're going to take in your life, and it's the start of many big things to come. As much as I want to speak more, but I'll have to leave you and love you because I'm going to be a doctor in a bit. In 15 minutes, I have to look after the pitch. So might be a pitch doctor there to do a pitch report and make sure no one doctors the pitch. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Justice Shri Cyriac Joseph to give away the memento to Shri Ravi Shastri. Thank you, sir, for being part of our auspicious function.
Now I request His Eminence, Justice Sri Cyriac Joseph, to distribute the provisional certificates and the scroll of honor to the graduates. I request all the graduates to ascend the dais as we call out their names. Dr. Serena Yu. Dr. Ritu T.S. Dr. Tenina Rose Kunjaria. Dr. Sri Lakshmi V. Dr. Raji V.R. Dr. Ashwati P.T. Dr. Nisha S. Nair. Dr. Nambila P. Dr. Shahana MP. Dr. Reshma R. Dr. Rinda George.
Dr. Sensi B. Dr. Abarna B. Dr. Afshan Ashraf. Dr. Fasila CC. Dr. Deepthi RS. Dr. Aniswara Kartiga. Dr. Surya Jairaj. Dr. Samrud Begum T. Dr. Sabrina HN. Dr. Tahsina Tajuddin. Dr. Shubha MS. Dr. Soumya VN. Dr. Arya Dev. Dr. Maria Thomas.
Dr. Amrita Raman Nair. Dr. Priyanka Ramakrishnan. Dr. Aislinn Mary George. Dr. Anju V. Nair. Dr. Alpha Kurian. Dr. Abarna Amarnath. Dr. Anuchantra. Dr. Sunu Ansi Joseph. Dr. Fatima Sahla, Dr. Anjali Mahindra Panikar, Dr. Amina Rinsi, Dr. Princey S, Dr. Rizwana P, Dr. Swati Karot, Dr. Reshmi M.R., Dr. Reshma James,
Dr. Renita Johnson, Dr. Minu P, Dr. Jocelyn Sara, Dr. Wasim Faisal, Dr. Chitra S, Dr. Gayatri S, Dr. Indupriya P, Dr. Deepa NG, Dr. Deepanjali R. Nair, Dr. Lakshmi Krishnan, Dr. Fasila C, Dr. Anju Susan Alex,
Dr. Anne-Marie Jose, Dr. Nitin Katie, Dr. Prashant P, Dr. Mohammed Tariq, Dr. Rohan Abraham Rajan, Dr. Nikhil R, Dr. Said Sabik, Dr. Mithun Baby, Dr. Lesida N.K., Dr. Shaharbana B,
Dr. Rohit Thomas Idkula, Dr. Anish Anto, Dr. Ajax John, Dr. Junaid TK, Dr. Krishna Kumar KM, Dr. Ashwin Joyce, Dr. Kavita K, Dr. Chinnu Shashikumar, Dr. Chinju Sunny, Dr. Nishad,
Dr. Praveen Lal, Dr. Prashant MS, Dr. Rahul Raj K, Dr. Steve Reggie Thomas, Dr. Anish Joseph, Dr. Nibu Kuttappan, Dr. Akhil Haridas, Dr. Vivek Vijay Kumar, Dr. Karthik C. Babu, Dr. Jishnu Mohan. Dr. Jayakumar Pillai. Dr. Fenas Yusuf. Dr. Darun Jims. Dr. Deebu S. Dr. Nitin Raj. Dr. Deepak Rajendran. Thank you, sir.
കൊച്ചിൻ യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി ഓഫ് സയൻസ് ആൻഡ് ടെക്നോളജി വൈസ് ചാൻസലർ ഡോക്ടർ രാമചന്ദ്രൻ തെക്കേടത്തിനെ സാദരം ക്ഷണിച്ചുകൊള്ളുന്നു.
Honorable Mr. Justice Sriyak Joseph, Dr. Junaid Rahman, Dr. PGR Pillai, Dr. Roy Abraham Kalliwayal, Dr. Geeta, Dr. Jilse George, Dr. Anil Kumar, Dr. Krishna Kumar, Dr. Junaid, distinguished personalities on and off the dais, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, the graduating students, their family members. I'm very happy to address you today. I don't take much time advising you anything, but I would like to, I apologize in advance for telling some of my personal experiences a little bit. I won't take that much time after the very powerful speech from Mr. Justice Sriyak Joseph, and of course the experience you got from Mr. Ravi Shastri. I 100% agree with what Justice Sriyak Joseph told you. And the most important aspect, I would say, for me is this is not an end point, this is a starting point. That's what he mentioned. This is a starting point in your career. And how do you progress in your life? I'm going to give you the Hippocratic Oath as the Vice Chancellor of this university. What essence is in it? That's what I am trying to convey to you. Personally, I used to be part of the medical community in a sense. I'm the only doctor who is actually not useful to humankind. Once in a while, people ask me, what are you? I say, I'm a doctor. Oh, so what specialty? Oh, I am not actually useful. Actually, my wife is a useful doctor, not me. But I used to be in the medical profession, associated with the medical profession for almost all my career. I used to work with the artificial heart program in the United States, where probably the first artificial heart was implanted in a patient. Later on, I was part of the group. For the development of an artificial heart, one of the sub-projects I was actually leading, I needed to have the components tested in blood, human blood. And I used to take blood from all kinds of people because the FDA, Food and Drug Administration of US, they mandate all the components be tested in all kinds of bloods in all kinds of situations. So I had to get blood from all kinds of people. Luckily in US, I have, in any city, I have people from all over the world. Black, brown, white, yellow, any color, any religion, any food habit. I have people in the city. So we invite people to donate blood for the test. And to my surprise, when we do the test, the basic test on the blood, almost all the blood are the same. 99.9% is the same. Color is red if you take from arteries. Yeah. Everything is almost same. There are some slight differences, but any human being, it is the same blood. Blood is the same. That's what I learned. In my conscience, it came. Everybody is the same. If you are willing to respect differences, you will be successful. If you are sincere and truthful to your conscience, you will be accepted all over the world. You will be accepted all over the world. That's the message I want to give to you. Please respect differences. Please be truthful to your conscience. Thank you.
ഹിപ്പോക്രാറ്റിക് ഓത്ത് ചൊല്ലുന്നതിനായി ഹൗസ് സർജൻസിനെയും പ്രതിജ്ഞാവാചകം ചൊല്ലിക്കൊടുക്കുന്നതിനായി കൊച്ചിൻ യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി ഓഫ് സയൻസ് ആൻഡ് ടെക്നോളജി വൈസ് ചാൻസലർ ഡോക്ടർ രാമചന്ദ്രൻ തെക്കേടത്തിനെയും സാദരം ക്ഷണിച്ചുകൊള്ളുന്നു.
I solemnly pledge myself to consecrate my life to the service of humanity. Even under threat, will not use my medical knowledge contrary to the laws of humanity. I will maintain the utmost respect for human life from the time of conception. I will not permit considerations of religion, nationality, race, party politics, or social standing to intervene between my duty and my patient. I will practice my profession with conscience and dignity. The health of my patient will be my first consideration. I will respect the secrets which are confided in me. I will give to my teachers the respect and gratitude which is their due. I will maintain by all the means in my power the honor and the noble traditions of medical profession. I will treat my colleagues with all respect and dignity. I shall abide by the Code of Medical Ethics as enunciated in the Indian Medical Council, Professional Conduct, Etiquette and Ethics, Regulations 2002. I make these promises solemnly, freely, and upon my honor. Now it is time to change the tag to the right. You are graduated.
All
Thank
graduates, please turn the tag of the cap to the right side. Let's all give the new entries to our profession a standing ovation.
കൊച്ചിൻ മെഡിക്കൽ കോളേജിൻ്റെ ശില്പികളിൽ പ്രമുഖൻ. പിച്ചവെച്ച കാലം തൊട്ടേ നമ്മുടെ കലാലയത്തെ അഭിവൃദ്ധിയുടെ പടവുകൾ കയറ്റിപ്പിടിച്ച നടത്തിയ CMCയുടെ ചരിത്രത്തിൽ തൻ്റെ നാമം തങ്കലിപിളിൽ കൊത്തിയിട്ട ഡോക്ടർ PGR പിള്ള സാറിനെ ആശംസാ പ്രസംഗത്തിനായി സാദരം ക്ഷണിച്ചുകൊള്ളുന്നു.
വേദിയിൽ ഉപവിഷ്ടരായിരിക്കുന്ന ആരാധ്യരായ